DJI Mini 4K Drone. Black Friday deal cuts price to $239. The DJI Mini 4K drone is currently available for $239 through Amazon's Black Friday sale, a $60 discount from its typical retail price. This deal makes it an exceptionally affordable entry point into aerial photography and videography. The drone has earned a 5-star rating from tech reviewers, including Tech Radar, Space, and Digital Camera World, making it one of the best drones for beginners. Key features and performance: the DJI Mini 4K weighs just 8.7 ounces, 249 grams, meaning it doesn't require registration with aviation authorities in many regions. It's highly portable, folds down to a compact size, 7x 5.55x 5.47 inches unfolded, and provides up to 25 minutes of flight time on a single battery. The drone captures video in 4K at 30 FPS or 60 FPS at 1080p using its 12MP CMOS sensor. While it lacks advanced collision avoidance, it does include a feature that automatically returns the drone to its takeoff point when battery levels are low. The drone can also withstand winds up to 24 mph. Why this matters: the DJI Mini 4K's popularity stems from its accessibility. For years, drones were expensive and complicated to operate. The Mini 4K changes that. It's designed for newcomers, but delivers performance that will satisfy even intermediate users. The price drop makes it an attractive option for those curious about aerial videography, but hesitant to invest in higher-end models. This accessibility also drives wider adoption of drone technology, which has implications for everything from recreational filming to professional surveying and inspection work. What's included: the Black Friday bundle includes the drone itself, one battery, a charging cable, spare propellers, a screwdriver, and a remote controller that can clip onto a smartphone screen for first-person view (FPV) flying. Additional batteries are available for purchase to extend flight time. Price comparison and AMP. History: the current price of $239 matches the deal offered during Prime Day in June. The drone typically retails for around $300, with Best Buy and the DJI store listing it at $399 and $299 respectively. The DJI Mini 4K was launched in April 2024 and has quickly become a top seller in its category. Though some users report flight times slightly below the advertised 31 minutes, the overall consensus remains highly positive. Ultimately, the DJI Mini 4K represents a compelling blend of affordability, performance, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for anyone entering the world of drone flight. However, those seeking top-tier video quality may prefer the DJI Inspire 3 instead.